Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit 2, Someone Who Understands. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize that other sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence. Draft and revise a paragraph to ensure that it has a main idea stated in the topic sentence. A paragraph provides relevant, specific, general and substantial supporting detail for the main idea. Use a variety of pre-writing strategies like brainstorming. Recognize that introductory paragraph carries the main idea of the essay. Now look at the page number 22. We have a writing section here. See what it says. General statement and specific statement. Helping other is a way to help ourselves. Helping a friend and family and neighbor and even a stranger does not necessarily mean fixing their car or buying them lunch. Helping someone should be as simple as waving or smiling when walking past them. Helping a person could be a small thing such as listening to their problems, offering support and advice and walking with them through an otherwise hard time. So, we read this passage here. The general statement of this paragraph here, helping other is a way to help ourselves. This is the general statement, general point of view about this paragraph here. What is the specific statement? The special statement. A simple act of care and kindness can make the world we live in a better place. How can we write a specific statement? Yes, these are the supporting detail, like simple as waving, smiling when walking past them. Helping a person could be a small thing such as listening to their problems, offering support and advice and walking them through an otherwise hard time. From this we can have an idea of the specific statement. These are the supporting details which I have underlined for you, which help us to give a specific or special statement about a paragraph. And the general statement is about the whole paragraph. General, like this paragraph is about to helping other people, is a way to help ourselves. But these small details here, supporting details here, help us to give a specific statement of a topic. So this is your task. After brainstorming and developing ideas, write a simple and unified paragraph on friendship. You have to write a paragraph on friendship. What is brainstorming here? I hope we have discussed about the brainstorming. So let's have a look here. The definition of a brainstorm is a sudden idea or a plan. When you suddenly come up with an idea for a new electronic device seemingly out of nowhere. This is an example of brainstorm. Like, put aside all the common ideas you have in your mind. But if you come up with a new or unique idea, it is called brainstorming. Put aside all your common ideas which comes in your mind very easily. But if you think of a unique or a new idea, it is called brainstorming. You have to think about it. You have to focus on it. So, develop your ideas, brainstorming and developing ideas. Think of the unique or new idea and write a simple paragraph on friendship here. Dear student, this is your home task from Summer Pack. What you need to do, you have to write a short narrative in the first person to describe any event you like the most. First person means I, me, my, mine, myself. You have to include yourself in the narration. The narrative here, narrative means story here. You have to narrate, you have to tell any event you like the most. And you have to include yourself too. Describe any event in which you also participated, you also witnessed, were the part of that event. I hope you can do this very easily. Thank you.